In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in your Smartsheet Workspace. This process is straightforward and will help you brand your workspace according to your preferences or company standards. First, let's start by navigating to your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Browse tab. This is where you'll find a list of all your workspaces. Carefully scan through them until you spot the specific workspace you want to update with your new logo. Now, hover your mouse over that workspace and right-click on it. A context menu will appear. From the options available, you'll want to look for the choice that says Workspace Colors and Logo. Go ahead and select it. This will take you to a section dedicated to customizing the appearance of your workspace. In this section, you'll have the opportunity to upload a new image to replace the current logo. Make sure you have your new logo file ready to go on your computer before you start this step. Once you've clicked the Upload option, navigate through your folders to locate the file, select it, and confirm the upload. Remember, your logo should be in a format that's compatible, like JPEG or PNG, to ensure it uploads smoothly. After uploading your logo, you'll also find the option to adjust the background and taskbar colors. This is an excellent opportunity to create a cohesive visual theme that matches the new logo and aligns with your branding requirements. Simply click on the color options to choose your desired shades. This personalization ensures a professional and appealing look for anyone who accesses your workspace. Once you're satisfied with your new logo and color selections, apply the changes. It's important to note that these changes will automatically propagate to all the sheets and dashboards within that workspace. This means a consistent and streamlined appearance across all your materials. However, don't be alarmed if the new updates don't appear immediately. Sometimes it may take a moment for the system to catch up with the changes. If the new branding isn't showing up right away, a quick and easy troubleshooting step is to log out of your Smartsheet account and then log back in. This will refresh the user interface and should display the updates correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the logo and possibly the theme of your Smartsheet workspace. This simple, yet effective customization step ensures that your workspace not only looks professional, but also gives a unique identity that resonates with your brand or personal style. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on getting the most out of Smartsheet.